Best thing to do in Bali in 2023. Bali is undoubtedly one of the world's best travel destinations, and it's easy to see why. With its pristine beaches, rich culture, world-class dining destinations, and awesome family attractions in every neighborhood, Bali is a wanderlust's dream come true. Go island hopping. Naturally then, island hopping when in Bali is an absolute must. And luckily, some of our faves are just a hop, skip, and a short boat ride away. Just 40 minutes from Bali's mainland, you'll find Nusa Lembongan, Nusa Seminyak, and our favorite, Nusa Penida. It's one of Bali's most breathtaking islands, with pristine landscapes that look like they're straight out of Jurassic Park. Splish and splash at Asia's #1 water park. If you want a change of scenery from the beach or jungle, head to Waterfalls for a day of heart-pumping sploshing and splashing. Voted Asia's best water park over and over, a day here is top-notch for families, kids, and adults too. It has all sorts of rides, from kid-friendly splash pools to tandem race slides, and even the dizzyingly high climax that drops you down through a vertical trapdoor. Not for the faint-hearted. Hike to the top of Mount Batur for sunrise. If you're looking for things to do in Bali to really get your heart pumping, how does climbing to the top of an active volcano sound? Well, the sunrise hike up Mount Batur is something we highly recommend, and not just for the delicious breakfast you get at the top. The hike only takes a couple of hours and is not too challenging, meaning almost anyone can do it. It does come with a 3 a.m. start to catch sunrise though, but that's all part of the adventure, right? Hire a yacht and set sail in style. Well, you can do all of this and more when you hire a yacht or head out on a boat tour to explore Bali's coastlines. It's the perfect combination of sailing, snorkeling, swimming with manta rays, and spending an unforgettable day on the deck of a sparkling yacht. We book with Day Trip Bali. They have an entire fleet of brand new boats and yachts, complete with certified guides and even a GoPro for those all-important underwater photos and videos. Get down and dirty with friendly Sumatran elephants. If your idea of an awesome vacation is getting up close with animals, you'll want to make a stop at Bali Zoo, the first zoological park on the island. Here, you'll spot over 500 rare and exotic animals, including endangered species such as the Komodo dragon, Sumatran tiger, orangutan, and Bali starling. You'll also meet free-roaming deer. You can even hand-feed them. Families of lemurs, orangutans, and, our favorite, muddy elephants will invite you in for a bath. Yep, at Bali Zoo, you can join the elephants for a very hands-on half-day elephant mud fun experience. Soak up some rays at Bali's best beaches. Cool ocean air, salty hair, sun-kissed skin, and that book you've been dying to get stuck into for months. Beach life doesn't get much better than that, right? Bali's best beaches also come with glamorous sunset cocktails, world-class surfing, wild water sports adventures, and world-class beach clubs to boot. So pack your sunscreen, wrap up your sarong, and prep a summer playlist, because you'll want to tick Bali's best beaches off your bucket list. Adventure off the beaten path. South Bali is where you'll find the island's most vibrant neighborhoods, but if you're after traditional villages and beautiful natural backdrops, then you'll want to venture elsewhere to Bali's off-the-beaten-path regions. We love Penuturan in northwest Bali with its calm bays and majestic mountaintops, or head east to the highlands of Seminyak for lush jungle and volcano views. Go chasing waterfalls. A must for your island hit list is without doubt an adventure to one of Bali's best waterfalls, all of which you can either jump off, swim underneath, or simply admire from a distance. Our fave has to be the Ailing waterfall thanks to its natural slide that has formed over the years. Be like the cool kids of Canggu. Bali's boho capital, aka Canggu, is fast becoming a #1 destination on every island itinerary. Come here for the spas, cool bars, the so hot right now boutiques, and of course, the ever-growing collection of Canggu's best cafes and restaurants. You'll want to come hungry, and you'll want to try everything, from the vegan brunches to the hottest sunset spots and the best date night destinations too. Explore the island on a scooter. The quickest way to get around Bali is without a doubt by scooter, and you can rent a trusty two-wheeled whip from almost every corner of the island. Available for daily, weekly, and monthly hire, the price will cost a mere $4 per day. Just make sure you wear a helmet and don't give it a go unless you've ridden one before. The roads can seem lawless at times, with bumps and potholes hidden on every bend. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.